In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to a task in Microsoft To Do. If you've ever wanted to attach extra details to a task, things like instructions, links, or a quick reminder, adding a note is the simplest way to keep everything in one place. The process is the same on Windows, the web, and mobile, so once you learn it, you can do it anywhere. Start by opening Microsoft To Do and heading to the list that contains the task you're working on. Open the list, then select the specific task. When you click or tap a task, its detail pane opens. On a computer or the web, you'll usually see this as a panel on the right side of the screen. On a phone, it typically opens as a full-screen view so you can focus on that task. Inside the task's details, look for the area labeled Add Note. It usually sits beneath the task title and appears near options like Remind Me and Due Date. If you don't see Add Note right away, make sure you fully opened the task details. Sometimes, you may need to tap the task a second time or scroll a bit so the note field becomes visible. Click or tap inside the Add Note area and start typing the information you want to remember. This is the perfect place to capture background context, step-by-step instructions you want to follow later, or links you'll need when you come back to the task. Keep your notes clear and concise so you can scan them quickly in the future. If you paste a link, it's easy to find again when you reopen the task. When you're done, some versions of the app show a Save or Done option. If you see it, go ahead and choose that. In most cases, though, Microsoft To Do saves your note automatically as soon as you click away, switch tasks, or close the Details pane. Either way, your note stays attached to the task. From now on, whenever you open that task's details, your note will be right there, ready to reference or edit. If you need to update it later, just return to the same spot, make your changes, and the app will keep everything in sync for you. That's all it takes. Open your task, find Add Note, type what you need, and let To Do keep it connected to the task. It's a small habit that makes a big difference when you're working through your day.